Never lose your dog again. Worried about your dog running off during walks or hunts? This Garmin device can give you peace of mind. The Garmin T5X dog tracking collar uses high-sensitivity GPS to track your dog up to 9 miles away. It's rugged and water-resistant, ready for any adventure. Enjoy up to 80 hours of battery life. Plus, sleep mode extends battery life even further when paired with a compatible Garmin handheld. The LED beacon lights help you keep track of your dog in low light. It's compatible with existing Garmin Alpha, PRO 550 Plus, and Astro 430 handhelds. Ready to keep your furry friend safe and secure? Check out the Garmin T5X on Amazon today. Don't wait. Get yours now and enjoy worry-free adventures with your dog. Click the link to learn more and purchase.